Imagine waking up in the middle of nowhere. The early morning light slowly fills the space around you. You're not in a hotel. You're not in an apartment. You're inside a motorhome that feels more like a private luxury mansion on wheels. You make a fresh cup of coffee, open the door, and step outside. Mountains, desert, coastline, wherever you parked last night becomes your backyard. No bookings. No checkout times. No rules. This is not basic camping. This is not normal van life. This is gangster motorhome living, where luxury, freedom, and attitude come together on the open road. Today, we're exploring a new level of motorhome lifestyle. Bold designs, powerful road presence, and interiors that feel better than most city homes. These are the kind of motorhomes that turn heads when they arrive and make you never want to leave once you're inside. Let's start with a motorhome that feels built for people who like to own the road. From the outside, this machine looks confident and aggressive. Wide body, strong lines, and a dark premium finish that instantly tells you this is something special. The LED lighting wraps around the exterior, giving it a modern, high-end look, especially at night. This is not a motorhome that hides, it demands attention. Step inside, and the atmosphere completely changes. You're welcomed into a lounge-style living space that feels calm, rich, and incredibly comfortable. Soft leather seating surrounds the room. Ambient lighting flows across the ceiling and walls, creating a warm and relaxed mood. A large flat-screen TV sits perfectly positioned, turning this space into a private cinema on wheels. The kitchen feels solid and premium. Stone-style countertops, built-in appliances, and smart storage everywhere. The drawers move silently. Everything feels thoughtfully designed and high quality. Move toward the bedroom, and it feels like a luxury hotel suite. A large bed, soft lighting, and excellent sound insulation make it feel peaceful and private. Once you close the door, the outside world disappears. This motorhome is perfect for travelers who want comfort, presence, and confidence wherever they go. Next, we step into something darker, sleeker, and more mysterious. This motorhome is all about night energy. The exterior is finished in deep black tones with glossy accents that reflect city lights beautifully. As the sun goes down, subtle lighting underneath and around the body gives it a futuristic, powerful vibe. Inside, the design feels modern and tech-focused. The driver's area looks more like a luxury car cockpit than a motorhome. Digital displays, soft-touch controls, and a seat that feels built for long, relaxed drives. The living space focuses heavily on mood and atmosphere. Dark wood finishes, clean lines, and hidden LED strips create a calm but bold environment. Sound insulation is excellent, making it feel quiet and isolated from the outside world. The bathroom here is surprisingly spacious. A rain-style shower, premium fittings, and enough room to move comfortably make it feel far from ordinary. This motorhome is designed for people who love night drives, city arrivals, and low-key luxury with strong personality. Now let's talk about something truly next level. This motorhome is not just large, it's massive. From the outside, it looks like a private luxury tour bus built for elite travel. Tall body, oversized windows, and a presence that instantly stops people in their tracks. Once inside, it feels like entering a modern apartment. There's a dedicated dining area with proper seating. A separate lounge space for relaxing or entertaining guests. And even a quiet workspace for business or creative work on the road. The kitchen is better than what many people have at home. Full-size appliances, generous counter space, and premium materials throughout. Cooking here doesn't feel like a compromise, it feels comfortable and easy. But the real highlight is the master bedroom. A large, comfortable bed sits perfectly centered. There's wardrobe space that feels more like a walk-in closet. And the private bathroom attached to the bedroom takes luxury to another level. This motorhome is pure gangster status. Ideal for families, business owners, or anyone who wants full-time luxury without sacrificing space. Of course, not everyone wants something this big, and that's where the next motorhome shines. This one is more compact, but incredibly smart. From the outside, it looks clean, simple, and easy to drive. But once inside, you realize how intelligently everything is designed. Seats transform into beds. Tables fold away smoothly. Storage is hidden everywhere without making the space feel crowded. The interior is bright and modern. Large windows bring in natural light, making the space feel open and welcoming. The kitchen is compact but fully functional, perfect for daily travel and quick stops. This motorhome is ideal for solo travelers or couples who want luxury without size. Easy on the road, easy to park, and still full of comfort. So what makes these Gangster Motorhomes special? It's not just about luxury materials or big screens. It's about freedom with style. Having hotel-level comfort wherever you go. Traveling on your own terms. Turning every destination into home. Some of these motorhomes are built for size and power. Some for atmosphere and night presence. Others for smart, efficient living. And that's the beauty of this lifestyle, there's a Gangster Motorhome for every kind of traveler. Now I want to hear from you. Which one would you choose? The bold road-dominating king, the sleek night cruiser, the rolling mansion, or the compact boss? Let me know your favorite in the comments and tell me why. Motorhome life isn't about running away from reality. It's about building your own version of it. Waking up near mountains one day, oceans the next, and always carrying comfort, privacy, and luxury with you. These Gangster Motorhomes prove one thing. You don't need a fixed address to live big. You just need the right wheels. If you enjoyed this journey into luxury motorhome living, make sure to like the video, it really helps the channel. Subscribe for more automotive and lifestyle content like this. And don't forget to comment your favorite motorhome below. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you on the road.